What is going on today, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be breaking down TikTok ads versus Facebook and Instagram and which platform you should be using for your business in 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. We have a bunch of new videos coming out this month. We're trying to post every 3 days. Consistency is going to be happening because I just completed my YouTube editing team, so I'm very excited to bring you guys new content every couple of days, hitting some of the biggest topics in the ad industry. So let's get into today's video and I'll see you guys on the next slide. All right, so we have been in a very heightened ad cost world for the past, I would say 12 months, right? Facebook ads have went up 40%, and then the year before that, they went up another 30%. And a lot of business owners are really having struggle, are struggling to scale because Facebook is costing too much, which I understand completely. We have a bunch of clients right now where lead cost is getting heightened, CPMs are going up, and they've been asking me, hey, Jason, can we go to TikTok? Hey, Jason, can we go to Google? Where should we be going right now to be saving money on our ad spend? And here's the honest truth is that you need to prove that concept first on Facebook and IG. If you can't convert cold traffic at a very high cost per click and high CPM, then you shouldn't be moving to platforms like TikTok or Google, right? And we know Google as being a more high intent search platform where people are specifically searching for that X item that you're selling. TikTok is gotta be fast bursts. It has to be low attention span items, impulse buys. It's gonna be very hard for you to push a high ticket webinar or, a high ticket offer or a very high ticket e-com product through TikTok just because the buyers are it's not as great as Facebook was 3 to 4 years ago. It's still harnessing its way. People are starting to switch over. So I would say within these next 6 to 8 months, you're going to start to see a shift where TikTok is going to be that main platform where business owners are now transitioning, getting lower CPMs again. And it's like Facebook in 2014. And if you are going to run TikTok ads, just understand that you should be making your landing page a lot shorter. Don't have these long, landing pages with a bunch of text like sales letters, not because they don't convert, but because the attention span on TikTok is way less. So your short form content has to be very quick bursts, cutting, trimming clips, fast, words with text on the screen, not the same ads you run on Facebook and IG. Also, you have to do user-generated content. So user-generated content is a way for you to use influencers, customers to make review-based videos that are obviously vertical because that's, native to the platform that are going to be able to sell the product for you. Facebook and IG, you can obviously do feed ads. You have the box in the actual feed on Facebook and Instagram. You could do Instagram Reels, you could do Instagram Stories. You have all these different variations, but TikTok is strictly vertical. And that's where I would recommend to you doing influencer marketing, going to websites like Billo, where you can literally send your products out to actors or influencers who will say what you want in the video, and they will basically do an unboxing video, a testimonial video, a walkthrough video, whatever the case may be, so that you have good native content to run on TikTok. And even Snapchat as well. TikTok and Snapchat are very alike, I would say. Cost per click, CPMs are about the same. I'm running actually some ads right now on TikTok for my lead gen to get more ad agency clients. And it's doing actually very well. It's a lot cheaper than Facebook or IG, but the lead quality is a lot lower because I have a new pixel. I have to nurture my leads. TikTok does have a lot of low quality people, unfortunately, because it's mostly just a bunch of, 13 to 21-year-olds who are dancing online and, still hopping on these trends. There's artists, musicians, people who are not crazy high quality for high ticket products, because most of the people on TikTok, to be quite frank with you, are very broke. So you have to sell pretty much a low ticket e-com offer. The other thing that we are using TikTok and Snapchat ads for in our agency is retargeting, because when we have a omnipresent pixel and we're getting people from Google, we're getting people from, Instagram, Facebook. A good example is my client who sells baseball gloves, right? We're running Facebook and Instagram. That's getting about a 4 ROAS, and then Google's getting a 20 ROAS. But the retargeting on Facebook, Instagram, and Google have increased in ROAS. Why? Because I'm getting 20 cent, 30 cent clicks on TikTok and Snapchat. So I'm driving buyers, well, not buyers, but visitors from TikTok and Snapchat that are getting picked up by the Facebook pixel and the Google analytics. And now I'm able to retarget even more people at a cheaper cost per click and a cheaper CPM. So basically what I've been using TikTok and Snapchat for higher ticket products is driving just traffic and filling up my retargeting pixel for platforms like Google and Facebook, which has been making him so much more money from having, 10K days to upwards of 25K, 30K days. So that's a great strategy for you if you're currently running cold traffic on Facebook and Instagram is, hey, you know what? If you're making a lot of profit and you have good margins, take a good $100, $200 a day and start driving just visitors from TikTok and Snapchat and then you can hit them on the back end with Facebook retargeting and your Google retargeting as well. So thank you guys for stopping by this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button below, comment any questions you have about TikTok ads or Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.